ബീഫ് കറി പ്രിപ്പയർ ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ബീഫ് കറി വിത്ത് naan. So it's a ready-made naan that we bought from the Falcon yesterday. It's an Indian store. Falcon is an Indian store. So we got Ashin in the building. Ashin, പുട്ടടിക്കാൻ വന്നേക്കോ. ശരി ബോയ്സ്, നമ്മുടെ കിച്ചണിൽ നിന്നുള്ള വ്യൂ ആണ്.
Students are coming.
Oh, that's a university student pickup, guys. That's a university bus pickup. So new guys are coming. So they are all waiting for the reception and waiting for the check-in. So that's the view from my kitchen. So this is our kitchen, guys. I told you earlier. It's same as the previous that I quarantined for the 10 days. Everything is clean. You have to keep and clean everything after you use the kitchen. So that's a rule. You have to clean everything after all the rubbish and finishing cooking. ഇപ്പം വലിയ വിഷയമാണ് ഗൈസ്. ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അടുത്ത ബെല്ലോടെ നാടകം അവസാനിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So last bell, waiting for the last bell. Yeah, let's go. So it's the cooker, fire prevention stuff that they installed here. See, no worries in that. Sometimes it will start beeping. Come on, bro. നമ്മുടെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ബെല്ലും അടിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Now it's a waiting time. We turn the full off and it's still hot. You can see it. Oh, just keep it there. Now it's a resting period for 10 minutes. Let's go. At that time we have to heat up the breads, so we'll turn up to the max and let's take this one by one. It's a big naan bread that's only consists of 2 per package. So guys, it's the grill and this is the oven and we are grilling the naan. So you can see it's an electric grill. So if it is fully closed, it will automatically turn off due to there is a switch button or there is a button here, so it will turn off. Other you have to keep it in the partially closed. So guys, our beef curry ready ആയി. Let's open it. Come. So first pressure എല്ലാം നമ്മൾ റിലീസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. സേഫ്റ്റി ആണ് മെയിൻ. Wait for it. You have to wait for it to completely drain the. Slide. Come closer. Come closer. Fog അടിക്കും. Yeah boy. നമ്മൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് വെള്ളം ഒന്നും ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ബീഫ് മാത്രമാണ് ഇട്ടത്. ഫുൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങി വന്ന ഫാറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ജ്യൂസ് ആണ്. Yeah, delicious bro. Nice. Now ഇതിനകത്ത് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചേർക്കാൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചേർക്കാം. Before that നമ്മുടെ നാൻ ഇവിടെ റെഡി ആവുന്നു. Come let's go. Oh right. Yeah. We'll go for the next one. So for the easily adjustment, we cut it into half and we need to place it in the oven. Yes, let's go. You're done. Yes. Let's go for the piece. Closer, come closer. Yeah. Then the nice side. Tender. See the tender. It's a tender portions.
British beef.
It's British beef. And the salad. So there goes our dinner with the lamb. Peace out, guys. See you soon. Yeah. Let's go. Nice. That's enough. Thank you.
So I called my I called my flatmate. So he'll be coming. So he's Syrian guy, name is Hassan. So let's give some for him. Let's hear his feedback. Okay?
No.
Welcome. Come. Join. Take the plate and come.
Okay.
So that's my flatmate, guys. He's Hassan. He's from Syria.
You too?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, it's become only 300 subscribers. Only my family and friends are seeing this. No problem.
Your family?
Yeah, only my family and friends are seeing this.
How are you?
So they are meeting for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah, have it.
Thanks.
No problem. Okay, guys, what do you want? Tell me how it is.
I didn't test it yet. So,
I'm eating. How's my cooking? How is it? Chicken, butter. Do you need to add anything spicy, right?
what do you add? Usually?
Our Kerala masalas, spices, garam masalas.
Not so. It's so delicious.
Take.
What are you studying?
Mechanical. Same mustard.
Yeah, the same one that you told me. Nice. Today?
Yeah.
No, I take
My cooking.
my cooking. Yeah, it is the first time. But it's delicious.
Yeah.
Delicious.
We got our first feedback. Yeah.
I recommend you. How many followers do you have?
Currently, I'm climbing 300 plus. It's my family and friends. Thank you for the support, guys. Poli. We said poli. Fish food.
Holy.
Poli. P.
Yeah.
So another flatmate, honey. Just for the YouTube. Come take the plate and come have it some.
Just take one.
Okay.
So we can be like.
You need beef, right?
Yeah.
Then come do it.
Actually, no, I just have one quick fire.
Okay, then have some soft and right. Tell me how it is.
Okay.
Is it okay?
It's just right.
Right. All good?
Mm-hmm.
Spices and everything.
Yeah. Good one.
That's it, guys. Next.
Finished for tomorrow's marination. Let's go. No, I'm just taking the video, bro. We finished the marination process and everything for tomorrow.
What did you use to marinate chicken?
Just I can go for biryani, and with the wings I can grill, right? You can grill in the oven. So I just finished up the dishes and cleaned the whole area. Everything is good. So this goes for the biryani.
You make a biryani?
Yeah. So I have some rice with me from the home I bought.
Yeah, I got two different types. I got basmati and I got paneer.
Yeah, like that. And he's grilling his dinner there, guys. That's his dinner, by the way.
I think it's going well.
It's going on well. It's coming, busting open up.
Actually, you know what? This is probably good enough. After all.
So we are done for tomorrow, so we'll call the boys. Let's see if anyone is free or not. We clean the whole places here. Check it. Guys, we are in the cooking process of the biryani. Yeah, we're in the biryani marinate the chicken. Let's go. Quick update, we have a chicken ready here, and this is the rice. I am taking the rice as batch by batch since I don't have the big vessel here. So let's go. So we finished our cooking, guys. ഇത് നമുക്ക് വെച്ചിരുന്ന് കഴിക്കാനാണ്. So ഇതിനകത്തുണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ബാലൻസ് ബിരിയാണി. So I hope this will be enough for everyone. So I'll try to call my friends. I'll check with them if they are available or not. So let's see if they're coming or not. If they're missing a wonderful biryani from the chef Subin. So should open this. See. Peace out, guys. That's for today's video, and we'll wait for them. Take it. നമ്മുടെ ബിരിയാണി ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് മന്ത് ജോലി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്. ഹീസ് വർക്കിംഗ് ഇൻ ആമസോൺ വെയർ ഹൗസ്. സോ ഹൗ ദ സ്മെൽ ബ്രോ? സോ ദാറ്റ്സ് അവർ ചിക്കൻ ബിരിയാണി. യാ യു ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക്. നമ്മൾ സൺഡേസിലൊക്കെ മാത്രമേ ഇങ്ങനെ വെക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. സോ ഹൗ ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് അശ്വിൻ? It's good, right?
Yummy.
So guys, I went to Morrison today for the essential purchasing, and I bought one pie, apple pie. So I haven't tried pie, so this is my first time. So let's see how it tastes. So it's like 1.19 pound. So let's open this package.
I haven't opened it yet. So I haven't tried pie yet. So this is my first time trying the pie. Is it supposed to bake? Are we supposed to bake it? Let's see. It is. Oh, it's oven baked, right? So I think it's already ready made to eat. So we have our sprinkled sugar here. So it crushed. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Should I take it from the plate? Yeah, let's go. So nice our bite. Oh, soft. Oops. Okay. Oh, there's filling inside. Yeah, see, it's good, it's good. You can see there is filling inside. So let's go for it. It's a little bit bitter, but it's sweet. That's good. Cheers, guys. As you can see, there's a filling inside, guys. So there's filling inside. So it's a real apple. It's an apple pie. So I'm trying this for the first time. It's good, actually. I liked it. So let's go. I like this crust. That is the most butter filled area. Boom. It's bursting inside my mouth. It's good, actually. Yeah.
So guys, this is a raspberry trifle. As you can see, at the bottom you have the raspberry, and there is a biscoff layer in the middle, and at the top we have British cream. So let's go for the first. So British cream is not the sweetest one. You have to mix it, or you have to take all the 3 scoops. There is a raspberry truffle. So let's go for it and taste it how it goes.
Sweet, sweet. Yeah, it's a real raspberry. I will show you the real raspberry. It's a real raspberry, guys, not the only jellies. See, that's a real raspberry. Here you have all the three layers. At the top we have the British cream, pudding, and then at last the jelly. That's the raspberry jelly. That's good, guys. Box of happiness. Damn, bro, the smell.